What if you could learn and master the skills to build the next generation of consumer and enterprise applications? Welcome to the Deep Learning Mini Degree, the world's most comprehensive online curriculum on state-of-the-art machine learning techniques. The Deep Learning Mini Degree consists of a collection of courses covering high-demand skills such as artificial neural network architecture, deep reinforced learning, image classification, image and text generation, and applied deep learning with real-world projects and real-world datasets. No prior machine learning experience is required to enroll. However, we do need you to be familiar with the Python programming language. This cutting-edge curriculum is authored by computer scientist and machine learning expert Mohit Deshpande and includes theory and practice modules, so you can build your portfolio and get lots of hands-on experience. As a bonus, you'll get access to 2 interactive courses in our mobile application called Mirai. At Zenva, we've taught programming online to over 250,000 students, many of whom have used these skills to advance their careers, start companies, and publish games and applications. We want all of our students to succeed. If you get stuck, there's a discussion area where you can ask questions, meet other students, and showcase your work. Upon completion of the mini degree, you'll be awarded with a certificate that can be verified via URL. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing the world dominated by your applications.